Hey Divas and Dons, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah. So as you can see guys, I'm in my garden today because I ordered some bulbs, some lily bulbs. So I'm going to plant them. So I thought, well, let me put on the camera. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to move some bluebells to another spot. And then the spot where the bluebells are, I'm going to put these bulbs. The bluebells are in bloom, guys. So I hope I don't kill them. But I'm moving them today. I need them moved. So welcome back to my channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much. And for any new subscribers, thanks for being here. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, press all on the notifications so that you know when I've dropped a video, guys. So we're just going to get to gardening. That's what I'm doing. So that's where I'm going to be doing, guys, today, over in this spot here. So you can see I've got some bluebells around. I'm going to move all those bluebells to the back. One of them's in the back already, one's at the side. I'm going to move them back and I'm going to put my lilies bulbs here. They're giant lilies, guys. I don't know if they're going to flower for this summer. I don't think so, but they'll be here for next year, so I'm planting them. Love lilies, guys. Love lilies. You can see over here, this is a type of lily here. Yes. And I have one over there and one over there. But these are a different type of lily, what I'm going to plant now. So let's get going. Guys, I've already dug one hole to put these bluebells at the back, but now I've got to get the bluebell out. Look, that's just weeds. Gotta get the bluebell out without destroying it. We had a little bit of rain, so there we go. Ooh, quite a few bulbs under there. So I'm moving these guys. They're going in here. I'll line them up in here. Like that. Yes. Right, it was easier than I thought. I'm so happy. Because it might rain at 4 o'clock, guys. So we've got like 2 hours to get this done. So guys, these are the blueberry bulbs. Well, I'm going to plant these all along the back. And they'll come up every year and they'll multiply. And these are my new lilies that I'm going to plant more forward. They're going to be beautiful when they come up. So I'm going to do that now. So we're going to plant the blueberries all at the back and the lilies in here. So I'm going to do that now and I'll be back. So there you have it, guys. I've got some bulbs left over because I'm going to plant them in my front garden right now. 6. I'm going to plant them around. But there you have it. I just moved all these blueberries. Hear me, blueberries, bluebells. And if I've said blueberries in the past, forget me, guys. I've moved all these bluebells here. We've got 1, 2, 3 orchids here. Comment below, do I have to cover the complete orchid or leave the tops poking out? Comment below, any gardeners, let me know. So you can see the tops of the, not orchids, you can see the tops of the lilies. So let me know, any gardeners watching, do I need to cover them completely? Alright. These are what the bulbs look like. Do I cover this completely or do I leave a little bit poking out? At the moment, everything's poking out until I find out. I'm going to Google it as well. And then if I need to cover them, I will. So guys, I've got 3 lilies here. I've got 1, 2 here. I've got 1 over there. Let's have a look. I've got 1 lily planted behind here. I've got 1 lily there, 1 lily over there. If you look, you can see the little red top poking out. These are lilies that I planted last year. They had flowered last year and they're coming back this year. This is a lily. And I forget what this is. It's gone out my head, but all these will have all flowers on them by summer, guys. Will look really nice. You know all this before. This is my herb garden. Thyme, rosemary, sage and mint at the back growing. This is a lily, but something ate some of it. Yeah, and I planted a bulb here. I planted a bulb here. This is a pink rose bush, guys, and this is Bleeding Hearts. It bloomed already. Hopefully it will go one more time. I planted a bulb here and I planted a bulb here, guys. This pot's only got weeds in it, so I'm going to plant a bulb in a pot and plant 1 there. And I'm going to give 2 to my friend. I gave 1 to my neighbour and plant the rest in the front. I'm going to go and do that now. So that's what's going on, guys. This plant here, I love it. It grows really long and it takes over. It's like a show-off tangerine, something or the other. Very nice. And you can see this is my bottle blush. And look how many blooms that's got on it. Look how much blooms that's got on my bottle brush, guys, coming through. And I did take some of that and plant it over there. That's a bottle brush growing over there. And that's what's going on, guys. And then we have something blooming here. I can't remember the names of everything. I'd have to walk with a list. And we have one of my lilies here, opened and bloomed. Yeah. So that's it, guys. This tree is ready to bloom. It blooms all yellow flowers. So yeah, I just want to see colour in the summer. These look a bit dead, guys. It's red carnations, but they're not dead. They're going to come back. Watch this space. Yeah, I think I planted something there as well. And next year you'll see that all here will be covered in bluebells. I moved the bluebell from over there and I put it over here. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to water the garden now, guys. And let these things get some water. Yes. Like, share, subscribe to my videos. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting. New subscribers, welcome aboard. Subscribe to the channel. Press on the like. Share the channel, guys. Share the channel. We're growing, on my way now to 3,000 subscribers. And also guys, I had a delivery of some giant lilies. They came in one pot and I ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants out of the one pot, guys. And it said 1 plant, so I'm very, very happy with that. And I won't tell you no lies, this is the next day when this came, so I'm just showing you what I planted in the pots, and we'll follow these lilies and see how they grow. I'm gonna give this one to my friend and we'll see how mine grow. Plus there was one bulb with no leaves on it, so I just planted that in the front garden, and we'll see if that one pops up. So very, very happy with those guys. These are lilies, and what I will do is just post them up in the video so you can see what they'll look like once they start blooming. Love them guys. Wait till you see the blooms. Alright guys, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. The Diva is out guys, yes.